You are a wet rat. Look at you. Took a bath in the water inside. Not even in the tub that I bought you. Oh my goodness gracious. Get in there. Look at that. He did that all in this cup. I wonder what he did in that. He likes this little bathtub. You got a whole bath. You are a wet rat. Wait till your dad sees you. You are a soaking dokin', Buster. You soaking dokin'. You feel bad? Oh, what you gonna do? What you gonna do, pretty bird? We need your hair to grow back. You're not stressed no more if you've taken a bath. She shouldn't be stressed. She got food, toys, mirror, all kinds of good stuff, huh? Huh, Buster? Pretty bird. We'll get her to whistle.